This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the machine and power. Start now. Place the digital miner where it can be powered continuously, then connect an energy source that supplies RF/J to the miner's input. Once you see power, open the GUI and create your first filter. Pick a specific ore item or an ore dict tag to avoid accidental stone mining. Set a small radius and a tight Y range so you test behavior safely. Make sure the machine is linked to chunk loading or it's on while you're away. Once done with basic power and a test filter, expand configuration carefully. Adjust radius and set Ymin and Ymax to confine the miner vertically. This reduces excess digging. Use item stack filters when you want one specific block or an ore dict tag when you want entire ore families. Add blacklist entries for dirt, gravel, or unwanted drops. If the mod pack provides upgrade options, confirm replacement rules or fortune effects to preserve ores. Keep chunk load. Start the miner and watch its first few cycles. Confirm ores go to the configured output and energy drains predictably. If it stalls, first verify power input and that the chunk is loaded. Next, check filters for incorrect entries or overlapping ranges that block progress. Also inspect output side, full buffers or clogged pipes halt mining. Finally, run incremental expansions. Increase radius and Y range slowly so you can catch configuration mistakes early and avoid large, hard-to-recover holes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.